Finding keywords and hashtags takes effort because there are a lot of nuances to consider. It requires constant monitoring, tweaking, and testing. So if you want to get the most out of it, you need the right tools. That's where AI tools for keywords and hashtags come to play. It is really beneficial because artificial intelligence uses deep learning to get the best hashtags and keywords that will get your content ranking and reach the target audience. This is the backbone of SEO. With that being said, let's check some of these AI tools. Welcome to WeGotMedia. We are a multimedia agency that offers professional services and training in all areas of digital media such as graphic design, video production, audio production, and digital marketing. This channel is dedicated in providing free informational tips and easy tutorials on how to make digital content using various software in the digital media space. Number 1. TwinWord. The best thing about the TwinWord tool is that it automatically detects user intent for each keyword and can sort and filter by relevance, user intent, search volume, and more. The keywords are generated by analyzing the topics that get detected and grouped together by AI based on the target keyword. This helps you make decisions based on accurate keyword data such as search volume, organic competition, paid competition, and CPC. Some of the features of TwinWord are: 1. You can discover new trending and high-volume keywords with this tool. 2. Their keyword score and title score indicate which keywords are best to include in your content and titles. 3. TwinWord Ideas also provides you with important keyword data such as search volume, SEO competition, and paid competition scores. 4. This is a multi-language keyword tool and enables you to create SEO-friendly content in different languages and for specific locations. Number 2. keywordtool.io. keywordtool.io provides great value to keyword researchers. It is simple to use, and in the tedious world of keyword research, such simple tools are important for your content's ranking and success. By entering a keyword, the keyword tool provides a huge handful of long-tail keyword opportunities, organized alphabetically. Some of the features of keywordtool.io are: 1. The tool's ability to understand your company's buyers and their challenges helps generates APT keywords. 2. Its dive-deep research strategy gives you well-analyzed hashtags. 3. It has the capacity to find related keyword phrases in a short span of time. Number 3. keywordinsights.ai. This tool generates a large list of keywords around a given topic quickly and easily. It clusters your list of keywords by highlighting the pages you need to create and the keywords that are targeted on those pages. Some of the features of keywordinsights.io are: 1. You can generate hundreds of relevant and topically similar keywords with the click of a button. 2. You can use their keyword clustering feature to quickly identify topic clusters and understand which keywords can be grouped. 3. They help you thoroughly research your keywords before it's written to stand the best chance of ranking. Number 4. Outranking.io. Outranking combines the latest artificial intelligence technology with data from search engine rankings pages to help you with using the best keywords. It also gives you an overview of SERP statistics, keyword search, and step-by-step instructions for SEO best practices. It saves your time by automating your keyword research. It uses advanced neural network models to group keywords that you can use on the same pages and for linking purposes. Some of the features of Outranking.ai are: 1. You can perform keyword research easily. 2. You get to discover relevant queries, phrases, and keywords. 3. Outranking.io gives you comprehensive directions to optimize your keywords for search engines. Number 5. Inflact.com. This website is very simple and generates hashtags on the go. You can generate them by a photo, URL, and keyword. This speeds up the search, making traffic targeted and precise. It combines several keys and separates them by commas. The Inflact database counts several million hashtags that are the most relevant on the market. Some of the features of Inflact.com are: 1. It has a hashtag database that is constantly updated. 2. Its smart algorithms analyze relevant niche hashtags in any language. 3. It's absolutely free to use, making it the most used tool on the go. Number 6. Predis.ai. Predis Instagram hashtag generator provides you with the exact hashtags you need to boost your exposure on the platform. Hashtag enhanced posts receive higher interaction than non-hashtag enhanced posts. You'll get more traffic, likes, and followers if you use the appropriate hashtags. Some of the features of Predis.ai are: 1. It helps you craft social media posts faster. 2. Its AI hashtag generator tool meticulously generates the right hashtags for your content. 3. Predis helps you build your brand image on social media. Number 7. Copy.ai. Copy.ai has a bunch of tools catered toward copywriting and content writing, but they also have a hashtag generator tool for Instagram. The tool uses AI to analyze the word you want to use as a hashtag and generates more hashtags around it based on the target audience and the Instagram algorithm. Some of the features of Copy.ai are: 1. It has a bunch of other helpful tools for copy and content writing. 2. The hashtags generated help your content stand out in the Instagram space. 3. The tool is free to use. Number 8. Simplified.com. Simplified is the all-in-one app for modern marketers and writers to create a seamless workflow. It has a lot of tools powered by AI, including its hashtag generator. This hashtag generator uses your keyword to generate all related and popular hashtags. This tool even allows you to generate hashtags for a specific country for better reach and relevance. Some of the features of Simplified.com are: 1. It has a plethora of tools to help you with marketing and social media. 2. It ensures more traffic with its hashtag tool. 3. It's free to use. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more informational videos related to the media industry. See you in the next video.